water?
Well, we only serve paying customers, so you'll have to order more than water. If you're broke, go somewhere else.
Hey, what is up guys, this is your boy High on Tech and I'm back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you one more RGB keyboard for an Android phone. So without any further ado, let's get started. The name of the keyboard is RGB Animated Backlit Mechanical Keyboard. This keyboard is totally free on a Google Play Store. The activation of this keyboard is really simple. Now let's go into the settings. The settings of this keyboard is really simple. You have the option to turn on and off the keyboard mechanical sound, the vibration, show suggestions, and backlight option. If you want to have a RGB effect on your keyboard, then you have to enable this backlight option. And you have the option of dark mode, and you have two types of backlit animations. One is breathing, one is waves, and finally you have the keyboard size option. Now let me show you the sound of the keyboard. Now let me quickly show you the two backlit animations and the keyboard in dark mode and the normal mode. There you go guys. If you like my videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And like always, thanks for watching, and I talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.